Hi. So here's a quick, intro to how this restaurant and food truck website would work. As you can see here, we'll just load this template over once again. So there's an image over here. There's a text. You can change this. We'll customize all of this for you. You'll change the image. We'll change the restaurant ordering to your restaurant name. We'll make the edits as needed on this for you, right? Whatever captioning you want. The main thing is the menu, right? So you can edit this menu on the go anytime. How it works is that you can just click on the image and it'll give you a place to upload the new picture and it'll fit it in right here, and you can click and edit, for example, from noodles to pasta or whatever bolognese to something else, right? And you can click on add to cart, like the users will be clicking add to cart to order it. And then you can see on the top, this number is increasing. It's 28.99 and now it's 48.98. So when the customers click on this, they'll come down right here, which says your cart and the orders they have made. They can increase the number of, uh, plates that they're ordering, right? Or they can remove it and then the number is kind of changed on the go. They can say place an order and say pick up at shop or deliver at home if you're offering that service. And they can do all these things where they've got all this time and all set up and proceed. They can enter their name and this will come right into your email, right? So this is something that you can keep it as optional in terms of them, if you just don't want to show them your website, your menu, but you also wanted them to order it. There's also an option actually here where they can make a payment online, and this can be hooked up to your PayPal account, which will be hooked up to your bank account, and you should be able to get the money. But maybe it's too much of a moving post if people are just coming over to your food truck. What is more important is you can change your location here on the go. So, for example, here it's Paris. Inside the editor, you can just click on it and put the new address wherever it is. It's Northeast Market, Baltimore, or Hyattsville, or wherever you are, Beltsville in Maryland, and you can easily change that to the exact street address, and you can zoom it all the way in through satellite or through maps to show where your location is. You can change it anytime. If you change location 3 times a day, you can change it 3 times a day, and your patrons around the area would be able to know. Or you can post it on your social media and say, "Hey, we are currently in Canton, right down by the waterfront." And if your people are already coming to your social media, they'll see that updated location on your website, and you can actually post on your social media. We've got a special promotion. If you go to our website and order, you get a discount and all that stuff. So it's marketing. You can use it. It's just another tool in your arsenal to kind of get your customers engaging and also build a list of customers. You'll have their email addresses, their orders, stuff like that, and you can grow from there. They can click and call. So that's pretty much it. There's a table booking system, but this may not apply to you. You can easily we can remove it for you if you like, right? So that's it. It's pretty simple. You can also publish additional pages if you want to write some articles or some kind of other publishing. The main thing is you can do all of this stuff, all the changes you need from your mobile phone, and we can work with you on a strategy on how you can get this website to be more useful for you in order to increase your business. Create a customer list where you can send emails out with certain for occasions and parties and stuff like that, and generate more revenue. I hope this was helpful. This is going to be brief, but you can ask us any questions you want to follow up. Thank you.